Dito kami sa Hardee's. Hinihintay ko yung dalawa. Nag-order ng burger. Pauwi kami ng Virginia ngayon. So, ano na, 7 o'clock na. Yan, medyo maaga kami umalis kanina. Kaya siguro mga 9 o'clock nandun na kami sa bahay.
Did he just say Hana?
When you kiss me, I'm under your spell. Will you miss me? Only time will tell. I can't think of anything but you.
Thank you.
That is what you do.
I think it's a little bit too hot.
Yeah.
Good morning.
So, Hannah has a hot cocoa and then Mama have coffee. Yan. Good morning guys. It's another weekend and we come home last night. And dito kami mag-spend ng weekend. So, kape tayo. You putting makeup in the skull?
I'm pretending. How is this already empty?
Hi guys, paalis kami, papunta kami ng Lowe's. Maghahanap kami ng Christmas tree. Hindi namin kasi alam kung nasaan yung aming Christmas tree. Baka nasa Connex or dun sa may basement namin. Hindi pa kami nakapag, hindi pa namin nahalukay lahat ng mga gamit namin. Kasi ayaw naming buksan yung mga gamit hanggat hindi pa tapos yung bahay. So kaya pupunta kami ng Lowe's. Bibili ako ng Christmas tree na yung totoong pine tree na nasa kaang, yung nasa pot siya. Para pag sa spring pwede namin itanim. Kasi parang wala kaming pine tree dyan sa namin, sa property. Merong malaking pine tree, parang dalawa lang yung nakita ko. So, yun balak namin magdagdag ng mga pine tree dun. Hannah Bear up? Are you enjoying? Yan guys, dito pala kami sa Kingsport, Tennessee. Yan, kasi malapit lang yung city namin, malapit sa Tennessee. So, karamihan yung mga tao doon, karamihan dito pumupunta. Yan guys, dito na kami sa Lowe's. Tignan mo, putol yan oh. Pagka ito yung binili ko, wala na to next year. Hindi na yan pwedeng gamitin. Kasi after ng New Year, tatapon na yan. Ito talaga yung plano kong bilhin, pero different. So guys, ito na yung napili naming Christmas tree. Yan, so meron kaming 2 poinsettias. So ngayon, magde-decorate kami nito. So okay, meron tayo itong mga Christmas ornaments. Ayan. Tapos ito yung Christmas light. And then,
I have ornament that it fell and
meron tayo ditong 3 bells. Ayan. And then, yung mga wires na panglagay natin dito sa ating ornament. Then, meron din pala ako ditong ribbons.
Silent night, I only have one wish for that shooting star. Holy night, send me someone to love so I can hold their hand while we're ice skating around the trees, Central Park. Kiss them under the mistletoe. Oh, I want a Christmas kind of spark. Santa Claus, do you know Cupid sent his arrow straight to my heart? I wanna fall in love this Christmas. Santa, that would be the greatest gift of all. Turtle doves and all my favorite things come in sets of 2. So does love. Send me someone I can talk to. We'll share stories of our childhood memories of Christmas past. Chestnuts on an open fire and another log to make it last. We'll build Frosty the Snowman and dance along with the Christmas band, and then we'll fly like 2 old lovebirds walking around a winter wonderland. Santa Claus, do you know Cupid sent his arrow straight to my heart? I wanna fall in love this Christmas. Santa, that would be the greatest gift of all. Send me an extra stocking to hang next to me on the wall. Santa, send me a love for Christmas. So that would be the greatest gift.
Guys, dinner time! Yan, nagluto ako ng tinapay ulit. Yan, tapos meron tayong tahong, paborito ni Hana. At saka nagluto din ako ng shrimp pasta. Yan, tapos meron tayo dyan, white wine. Yan guys, try ko tong tinapay na bagong recipe. This is cinnamon bread. Ang sarap.
No, you're gonna pay for it. No,
Good morning guys. Yan guys, tingnan niyo yung ating parsley. Kinat ko siya noon, pero ngayon tingnan mo, ang dami niya na namang bagong tubo. The more mo siyang i-trim, the more siyang tutubo. Yan, so unlimited yung ating parsley ngayon. So yan guys, nag-try pala akong maglagay ng luya dyan. Yung luyang nabili ko sa H-Mart, sana tumubo siya. Tapos tingnan mo yung ating basil, meron na siyang mga bagong tubo. Yan, sana magtuloy-tuloy. So yan, yung ating sage. Dami niya rin bagong maliliit. So dapat pala ititrim ko to para mas lalong lumaki yung mga bago niyang sanga-sanga. Look, ang ating malunggay. Yan, yung ating alugbati guys, tumutubo na. Yay!